What's up, y'all? It's your girl Yadah, and this is Tanya that's blowing out my client Sasha's hair. We're getting her hair all prepped up for a nice little transformation that I'm sure you guys are gonna love. Stay tuned. Right now, I am parting her hair to create her leave out. This part is definitely one of the most important parts of a sew-in because we want to make sure that her tracks are covered and her hair looks as natural as possible. Right now I am braiding her hair down, and I'm going to make sure that it lays as flat as possible. The braids that I did right here, they're not the smallest, but they will be very, very secure, so her sewing still can last up to 2 months. I don't typically advise my clients to keep sewings in extremely long because I like to make sure that I give them enough time to be able to treat their hair. Right here, I'm adding Truth Hair Miracle Drops, which is an organic, all-natural formula that stimulates hair growth. My clients absolutely love this oil. They love it. It definitely helps their hair growth process, and it's good for natural or relaxed hair. Alright, here's the fun part. We're installing the hair. When I install, I make sure that I lay those tracks as flat as possible. I keep it going. I don't like to cut it until I get to the top. Because it's virgin hair, and I think I'm putting in 12 inches. So she had 3 packs of 12-inch straight. This is my makeup artist at Truth Hair Studio Miami. Her name is MJ. You can follow her on Instagram at Beat by MJ. She is absolutely amazing at what she does. She has a great personality, and we are definitely known at Truth to have the best customer service. MJ is beating this girl's face, honey. Sasha is popping. But anyways, let's get back to her hair. Right now, I am cutting and razoring because I have a look that I'm going for. And as you can see, I'm going in. A lot of people ask me how I learned how to style hair. This just really comes naturally. I've been doing this since I was 11 years old, and I actually take pride in each individual customer's hair and their look, because I want to make sure that even if they're not that confident, or if they are that confident, I want to add about 10 more notches of fierceness to their whole personality, because when you look great, you feel great, and when you feel great, you perform great. And check out that beat. Do you see her face? Shout out to MJ. Now here's the fun part. I am curling her hair, and you'll see me as I curl it and I style it, I'll be still razoring as I go, because I just want that hair to lay a perfect yet unperfect, messy way. Does that make sense to you guys? Definitely makes sense to me. But I'm using a 1 1/4 barrel BioSilk curling iron, and I'm taking it section by section, and you'll see the look come together. styling hair is definitely an art. You see, you add a boost of confidence whenever you're styling their hair, and you want to make sure that they feel what you're doing. This isn't just about you styling their hair. This is about them walking around modeling your work. So, voila. She is absolutely stunning. She was beautiful to begin with, but let's just say Truth Hair Studio added definitely a few more layers of greatness. Check out that messy bob styled by Yadah. Makeup by MJ. If you guys would like to come to Truth Hair Studio Miami, our address is 17090 Northwest 7th Avenue, Unit 102. And we are waiting for you. We have great, amazing hairstylists, and we're just looking forward to you guys coming through and experiencing great customer service, great styling, great makeup, everything fabulous. Thank you for watching. You guys are absolutely amazing. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you'd like to see me do anything else, just send me a message and I'll be sure to get back with you guys with another video.